In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create user account in Windows 11. Creating a separate user account is a great way to keep files, settings, and apps organized for each person using your PC. It also helps maintain privacy and makes troubleshooting easier. Let's walk through it together, nice and slow, so you can follow along confidently. First, open Settings. You can do this by clicking the Start button and selecting the Settings gear icon. If you prefer shortcuts, press the Windows key and the letter I at the same time. Either way takes you to the same place. Once Settings is open, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Accounts. This area controls everything related to user profiles and sign-in preferences. On the right, find the section labeled Other Users. Depending on your version, it may appear as Other User. Click that to open the options for adding someone new. Next, click the Add Account button. A window will appear asking how you want this person to sign in. If the person already uses a Microsoft account, type their email address here. This links their profile so they can sync Settings, OneDrive, and Microsoft Store apps across devices. It's a convenient option if they move between PCs or want cloud features. If you prefer a local account without an email, choose I don't have this person's sign-in information, and then select Add a user without a Microsoft account. This creates an account that lives only on this computer, which can be a simple and privacy-friendly choice. For a local account, you'll be asked to enter a username and a password, followed by security questions. Pick a username that's easy to recognize and set a strong password you can remember. For the security questions, choose answers that are memorable to you but not easy for others to guess. If you're setting this up for someone else, coordinate with them so they can successfully recover the account if needed. When everything looks good, click Next to complete the creation. That's it, the account is now set up. If you created a Microsoft account, the user will sign in with their email and password. If you created a local account, the user will sign in with the username and password you just configured. The next time you turn on your computer, you'll see this new local account on the sign-in screen, ready to use. Keeping separate accounts helps maintain a clean, secure, and personalized experience for everyone who shares the device.